Ever had a fantastic night out with friends, devouring a mountain of nachos and racking up a hefty bill? Maybe you shared a cozy apartment, and it's rent day. Splitting the cost can sometimes feel like wrangling cats, cash, forgotten wallets, and that awkward "I'll get you next time" that never seems to come. Thankfully, in the age of digital convenience, apps like Venmo have emerged as superheroes for splitting bills. But what if you're venturing outside the US, or your friend who owes you for that epic concert lives abroad? Can Venmo still be your financial wingman? The allure of Venmo. Let's break down the hype. Venmo, owned by PayPal, has become synonymous with easy, peer-to-peer money transfers. It's like a social media platform for your finances. You can send and receive money with a few taps, add a funny emoji describing the transaction, pizza party, anyone, and even see a public feed of your friends, with their permission, of course, financial activities. This social aspect makes Venmo particularly appealing for millennials and Gen Z. It feels less transactional and more like settling a playful debt with a friend. The US dollar wall. Now, here's the catch. Unfortunately, Venmo's superpowers are limited by borders. As of today, Venmo is strictly a US-based service. Their system is designed for domestic transactions, meaning you can only send and receive money in US dollars within the United States. Trying to use Venmo while traveling or to send money to someone overseas will hit a brick wall. You'll likely encounter error messages or restrictions on your account. So, what are your options? Don't fret, international money transfer heroes. There are several alternatives that can be your knights in shining armor when it comes to splitting bills across borders. Here are a few popular options. Wise, formerly TransferWise. This service boasts competitive exchange rates and low fees, making it a great choice for international transfers. WorldRemit, known for its user-friendly interface and fast transfer speeds, WorldRemit is a solid option for sending money to friends and family abroad. Paysend, another contender with a focus on transparency and speed, Paysend offers competitive rates and multiple delivery options for your transfers. PayPal, while Venmo's big brother, PayPal does allow international transfers, though their fees can be slightly higher compared to some of the other options. Choosing the right platform. The best international money transfer platform for you will depend on your specific needs. Consider factors like fees. Compare the exchange rates and transfer fees of different services. Some may offer fixed fees, while others have variable rates based on the amount and destination of your transfer. Transfer speed. Do you need the money to arrive instantly, or can you wait a few days? Some services offer faster transfers for a higher fee. Payment methods. How do you want to send the money? Many platforms allow transfers from your bank account, debit card, or credit card. Remember, it's not all about the nachos. While splitting bills for fun outings is a popular use case for Venmo, international money transfers can be for much more. Maybe you're helping out a family member abroad, sending tuition payments, or contributing to a friend's travel fund. The takeaway: Venmo is a fantastic tool for splitting bills and sending money amongst friends within the US. But if you're looking to go international, you'll need to explore other options. With a variety of services available, you're sure to find the perfect platform that allows you to share the financial burden, whether it's for that epic concert in Europe or simply chipping in for rent with your international roommate. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.